From Vale Seco to Sonega, shadows, cork trees, smooth curves, pure flow. This is the calm side of the N120, Alentejo at its best. Rolling out of Vale Seco, the N120 begins to change. The sun stays high, but the road slides quietly into the shadowed cork-tree forests, one of Alentejo's most iconic landscapes. Here the road settles into a gentle flow. No rush, no pressure. Just the rhythm of the bike and the calm of the countryside. A few kilometers ahead, the forest opens up again, revealing the long straight line that leads us towards Sonega. It's one of those simple moments that makes the whole ride feel like a reset. Clear road, clear horizon. This stretch has always felt timeless. The shadows moving across the asphalt, the warm breeze carrying the scent of dry earth and oak bark. These calm sections help me reconnect, clear my head, and find a bit of balance again. And that's what this route is about. The peaceful, in-between places that make every adventure feel complete. From Vale Seco to Sonega, let's keep rolling. Are you ready to ride?